This minimal logo intro template will work on Premiere Pro 2018 and above versions. Let me show you how to edit this template. Open Template. Go to Logo Sequence to change logo and text. Let's import logo. Place it to the logo sequence. Make it 10 seconds long. I am scaling logo down. Copy an effect from another logo and paste it to your logo. If you want to change logo and color, then select Logo Final Sequence, go to Effects Control Panel, and change Lighting Effect Light to Color. If you want to use text, then enable Text and Graphic Layer and change text. That's it. Thanks for watching.